Let's look at this JAMB past question, Geography 2018, question number 5. Which of the following rocks is composed of the skeletons of microscopic sea plants and animals? A. Chalk, B. Granite, C. Sandstone, D. Slate, E. Clay. Now, in order for us to put this in perspective, we need to know where these various rocks are formed, from where they are formed. Now, we'll take a look at chalk for the first, since chalk is the first. Now, chalk is an example of sedimentary rock. And sedimentary rocks are formed from the accumulation of sediments. That is how you form sedimentary rocks, either by water, ice, or wind. These are agents of movement of the air that cause the accumulation of sediments. Now, they occur in layers or strata. Sedimentary rocks occur in layers, and you can also call this layer strata. They are all non-crystalline. Sedimentary rocks are non-crystalline. And they seldom contain fossils. Sedimentary rocks are either mechanically formed or organically formed. So when you're talking about mechanically formed or organically formed, so it's either mechanically formed or organically formed. So in mechanically formed, you talk about moraine, things like moraine and loess, whereas organically formed, you talk about rocks like coal, peat, or chemically formed as well. You can also have chemically formed, where you talk about potash and gypsum. Now, chalk is formed from remains of plants and animals, as well as coral. Chalk in particular is formed from remains of plants and animals. So that is where you get chalk from. So when you hear skeletons of microscopic sea plants and animals, so you know we are talking about chalk here. So that makes chalk the right answer.